Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of outline. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about outline and you will enter. You will search about Pinterest app. Sorry for that mistake. You will click on Pinterest. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, and then you can know how to fix outline on Pinterest app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you